Assalamu alaikum everyone. So a little bit of a Discord briefing today. I think this news is actually quite important before we talk about Pepe. And do comment Discord if you want to be a part of it to get the Discord briefing, trade ideas and whatnot. So it's important. Maybe you're holding Matic for a very long term. So the Matic name is coming to an over as far as the news goes. And it will be renamed to Paul. So we're going from Matic all the way to a name called Paul. So Paul is going to be the token that represents the Polygon network. So maybe that Polygon, out of the Polygon, they're actually taking the Pol for the short word of Polygon. So Matic was the coin that represented the Polygon network previously. And if you're a holder, you don't have to worry or do anything about it because the name is going to be shifted into Pol automatically. And there are so many reasons as to why they're actually doing this. So it's a little bit of an old news. It was released back 2 days ago, but a lot of people may not know this, so now you know it. Now let's get back into the Pepe update and let's see what's going on. So far, Pepe is still doing, it's really trying to drop along with Bitcoin. So we've actually talked about this. We have seen the sideways for such a long time. But one thing I want to say is that we're about to come to the end of the sideways. This sideways is about to really hit the home run. Okay, we are about to just see the final dumps, and when we see the final dumps, this is what I want you to do. Hopefully, if you do get the dumps, then do this, right? Right, so that's pretty much what you can do when the dump actually happens, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one, Lafis.